We need to solve this quadratic equation. The coefficients are a equals 6, b equals -1, and c equals -2. Now use the quadratic formula, matching each coefficient carefully. Substitute the values. A common mistake is losing the negative sign on c. The denominator becomes 12, and the product inside the root is added. The expression under the square root simplifies to 49. The square root of 49 is 7. For the first root, choose the minus sign. This fraction reduces to -1/2. For the second root, choose the plus sign. This fraction reduces to 2/3. So, the quadratic equation has these two real solutions. Because this is a polynomial equation, all real inputs are allowed.